In this problem, you're asked to find the missing side of a triangle. Now, in the past, you've been working with right triangles where you were able to use sine, cosine, and tangent. However, in this question, this is not a right triangle, so therefore, those will not work. So there are two other options you can use. One is called law of sines, and one is law of cosines. If you're thinking about doing law of sines, the question is, can you circle an angle and an opposite side? In this picture, I'll have a side, but there's no angle. This side has no angle, and this angle has no side given to you, so I cannot use law of sines. And since I only have one angle, I cannot find the other missing sides or angles as well. So this tool will not work in this picture. The next thing you want to ask yourself then is, do you have side angle side or side side side? And in this case, I do have side angle side. I've got a side, an angle, and a side. In that case, then I can use this formula for law of cosines, which looks like this, where c equals the square root of a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of the angle c. Now that's kind of confusing at first. We want to try to label our sides. This might make it a little bit easier for you to understand. So when I say side angle side, the a, you'll notice here, is the a and b are your sides that are on both sides of the angle. So let me label those first. So we'll call that your a, we'll call this your b. And then when it talks about angle C that you see right here, this angle C, that's the angle that's given to you, that's your 20.1. So I'm going to reference this as my angle C, as like a C in terms of degrees, okay? Which then means this x is my little c, okay? That little c is the side C that you see in the formula here also. So when I reference this C, that's the missing side. And then from there, what we want to do is we want to try to figure out how to put this information into the formula. It's not that difficult. But really all you're going to do is you're going to say C, this missing side, is going to equal a squared, 10.4, plus 12.4 squared, minus 2 times the exact same a again, which is 10.4, times 12.4, times the cosine of my angle, 20.1. When I do that all written out, it looks like this. 10.4 squared, 12.4 squared, minus 2 times 10.4, and so on. Fill all that in, and then you go to your calculator, type it all in one straight line in your calculator, that exact same thing, and then press enter. You will have the answer to the missing side that you did not have before. So in this question right here, it's going to come out to be 13.44 as your missing side. Let me just write that answer down here too, that x equals 13.44 units. And that's it. That's all you got to do to find missing sides. Use the formula for law of cosines in this problem. Now, recognize there was another one for side, side, side. That's a whole new video. But this one walks you through the situation when you have side angle side, and you're just going to fill these letters into the formula, and you find the missing side, which is across from the angle that you're given. Hopefully this video helps, and good luck.